Eurasian eagle owl, one of the largest owls in existence. Blakiston's fish owl, considered the largest living species of owl. The crowned eagle, a massive bird that feasts primarily on the martial eagle, another native to sub-Saharan Africa. Bald eagle, the national bird of the United Philippine eagle, adorned with shaggy.
If you asked me a week ago to list the 15 biggest birds in the world, I'd have said big bird and then gone blank. Harpy eagle. Honestly, we could probably have picked any eagle to kickstart our list, but the harpy eagle is a perfect fit.
Hyacinth macaw, Indian peafowl, the wandering albatross. 7. Victoria crowned pigeon. 6. The great hornbill. 5. Eurasian black vulture.